Hey guys, okay, I want to show you exactly what is Powerhouse Affiliate and how we will be making money with Powerhouse Affiliate. So Powerhouse Affiliate is a program which if you join, you get access to a CPA network where there are these offers, okay? Now guys, can you see these offers, okay? Like there is this offer which you get paid 30 cents if somebody signs up. There is this offer which you get $2.25 if somebody plays this game. There is this offer which sports streaming, whereby if somebody is getting in, then somebody is he's taking the trial. No, he will not be paying anything, but if just he takes the trial, you'll get paid $10, and so on and so forth. So Powerhouse Affiliate is not about chain marketing, pyramid scheme, MLM. It's nothing like that, okay? Basically, you get paid when you promote these offers, and this is what I will be showing you, how to promote these offers, okay? Like for example, I have just started doing Google AdWords, and you can see in my AdWords, I have spent like $22, okay? And I have made, let's go back here and see how much I have made. So conversion report. And I have made $36. So you can see I have made a profit. And that's what I'm talking about, okay? And this is what I will be showing you. It's not necessary for you to get somebody to join you so that you make money, okay? Now, there is an added advantage if somebody is joining you. What will happen if somebody is joining you? Let's look at this. If you get, now you will be paying $47 a month. But for example, if somebody is interested in making money like you and wants to learn how to make money and joins you, if you get 2 people joining you, your membership becomes free, okay? Now, any additional people who will join you, it's $23.50. You get paid for those people who will join you. And then it's 3 levels down. If those people get other 2 people, then it's $4.7, and then $2.35 if those people get their affiliates. Do you understand, guys? It's as simple as that. It's not a must that somebody has to join you, especially if you are joining under me. I will be showing you how to make money even if somebody is not joining you. An added advantage if somebody joins you. Okay, guys? So that is what Affiliate Powerhouse is. You will need to get paying $47 a month. Now, if somebody joins you, 2 people join you, and they stay there, then your membership becomes like free. And then any additional person who is joining you, you will get paid $23, okay? So that's how this thing works. I am not focusing on joining stuff. I am showing you exactly how to advertise and how to make money without following people, okay? Actually, people will start following you once you have this kind of results. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Join Affiliate Powerhouse, and let's do this together. Let me help you make money.